Candles and matches are two indispensable items that were once present in every home. Their manufacture was also a great business opportunity. Although it looks very small, making a wick and match is not that simple. The leftover pieces of wood from windmills etc. are usually used to make matches. These are first cut into thin layers by feeding them to the peeling machine. After all these layers are stacked, they are passed through a cutter and cut into smaller pieces. All this is collected in containers and deposited into another machine for cleaning and extraction. By using this machine with a plate with holes, it is possible to remove the wood pieces that have become waste. Replaces all undersized and cut pieces. The remaining good pieces are collected and polished in a drum. Thus the spoils prepared with quality are collected. A machine picks them out from this group by arranging them precisely. The ends of these rows of wood are first dipped in the wax. This is to hold on to the burning chemical. These ends are now dipped into a chemical mist containing phosphorus. This chemical, which is stuck to the ends of all the pieces in the same size, should now be dried. They are loaded and unloaded through several rollers and cooled with a fan. Now it is the construction of the boxes to put these matches. Rolls of thick paper are fed into a machine to make the inner box. This machine itself will cut the paper into the exact shape of the box and release it. From there, they are sent to another machine via a conveyor belt. This will arrange all the boxes in a row. Into this box, the matchsticks, which have been previously dipped in the chemical and dried, are deposited in an exact number. Now the cut printed papers are fed inside the machine to make the outer box. It is folded and shaped to come out in the form of a box. This too is arranged by a machine, and the inner box containing the matches is inserted into it. The boxes of matchsticks thus ready are left for packing. Tens and 100 single quotes are packed in big packets and sent to stores in cardboard boxes. Candles. All normal candles are made from paraffin, a byproduct of petroleum refining. It is brought in sacks and melted in a large pot. This liquid is then poured over the molds that sit in the shape of the candles. After a few hours, it will start to thicken. At that time, the iron nails sitting in the middle of it are replaced and the threads are loaded from below. After that, the excess wax on the top is scraped off. All you have to do is lift the mold up and take out the ready candles. Depending on the shape of the molds, candles of any size can be made in this way. Now let's take these in a packet. Another specialty made are the scented candles in glasses. The main work in its construction is to place the wicks placed in the middle of them. In some places, the staff themselves glue it to the glasses. In other factories it will be attached by the machine itself. Now all that is left is to pour the prepared wax with fragrance. Sometimes it is filled in several layers in order to diffuse different fragrances. It can also be made in various shapes and colors. Finally, if it is ready and well packaged, there will be many people who will buy it. How was the factory manufacturing of candles and matches? Please comment your views below. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.